Hey guys, so real quick, I'm gonna show you guys how to split layers in After Effects. This one is real quick. So let's say I want to split the first layer, this one, over where this is at. I just hit Control Shift and D, and you see it split. So I could move it around. So again, if I go here, Control Shift D, splits. I believe on Mac it's Command plus Shift and then D. Uh, so again, Control Shift D, see split. So same with this one. I want to split this layer, right? So I just Control Shift D, see it split. So now I have two of the same layers. So now, just uh, let's say I want to split the layers, but so let's say if I split the layer, right? Uh, Control Shift D. If I split the layer, you see how it goes up, the new layer goes on top. But let's say I want it to go in the bottom instead of on top. So that's also simple. You just go to Edit, Preferences, and then General. And then where it says Create Split Layers above original layer, just uncheck it. Click OK. So let's say from here, if I hit the same thing, Control Shift D, now it goes in the bottom, the layer instead of on top. Okay, so another thing I want to show it to you guys real fast is, let's say if I want to this layer and only this layer, so I just click on this one and click on this one and then Control click that one. So same thing, Control Shift D. It's going to split those two. However, here's another thing. Let's say uh, wherever this line is at, uh, let's say here, right? I want to split whatever this line is at. So in order to split anywhere the line is at, you don't have to click anything as long as whatever layer is touching this line, you just want to split it. If you press Control Shift D, any layer on that line gets split automatically. So if it's only one layer, let's say only this one, you don't really have to click it. You don't have to click the layer and then split it. You could just, as long as it's that layer in the line, Control Shift D. That's all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.